Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to be making some shallow fried chicken, and I'm going to use the flour that I made from the red lentils with the grinding attachment for the KitchenAid, and we're going to put some other spices in there like penny likes. So it's going to be a good one. So hang on, this is quick and easy, and you guys are going to love it. Okay, this is like a collaborative effort today. I'm going to turn the pan on here. I'm going to put it on like medium high. That's close enough. Okay, so here, let me just open this so you get a better shot of it. Here, as you can see, that milling attachment did a really great job. This is nice fine powder. It's my red lentils. So that's what we have on the bottom here. You'll see the red lentil flour. Then Penny put a teaspoon of granulated garlic, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a whole teaspoon of chili powder, and a teaspoon of paprika, smoked paprika. Okay, so we're going to mix all that together. I'm going to beat up an egg, and here I have 3 chicken breasts. The reason for 3, because I still have one in the refrigerator I made last night, so that way we'll have an even number, and we're off to the races. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is I'm going to beat up the egg here. I'm going to put a little drop of water in there. Now I'm going to be double dipping. So I hope there's enough egg today, because yesterday when I made me and Penny some, I had egg left over, so I didn't want to waste any today if I could help it. I know that made a bunch of silly noise, but hey. And then we're going to mix up our Penny's blend, not mine. This girl one day, she's going to burn her dang tongue off. But that's okay. But anyhow, this is a nice change up. It has a different flavor than regular flour, that's for sure. It's not strong, it's not overpowering. It's just something that this way Penny can have some, like a fried chicken dish with her Weight Watcher thing and still be okay. Because I'm using the cooking spray. I'm using red lentils now with the pout for the flour. So okay. So hopefully that's enough of a mix. If it's not, we have to make some more. So now I've already wiped off the chicken. It's pretty dry. So now what we're going to do, so the egg will stick, we're going to dredge it first in the flour. Not heavy. As you can see, shake off any excess. Plop it in the egg. Flick it over. Okay. And then again in the dip. So I'm going to put a little salt and pepper on there just in case. Penny likes salt and pepper, so should have did that before I dipped it, huh? Yep. Hey, we all mix up sometime or another, see? Okay. So we're going to do that with each piece before we put it in the skillet. Just wanted to show you. So we're going to flip this over again. Okay. So we dipped it. We dipped it in the egg. We dip back on your flour mixture. Okay. So now let me slide you over here. I'm going to see if the pan's hot enough. I think it should be close, but we'll see. And how I normally do it, I just take a little bit of, see how that water's jumping? That's hot, look. See? Pink, pink. So we know the grill's hot. So now what I'm going to do to try to give this a nice flavor of like a buttery flavor, I'm going to spray some, first I'm going to spray some of my extra virgin olive oil spray. Okay. And then a little bit of the butter spray. And just make sure everything's coated, shake off the excess. And when you put it in the pan, drop it away from you so that if it was really hot oil in there, it wouldn't splash back up on you. Okay, so we're going to do another one here. Try to pick one about the same thickness as that, which that one isn't too thick, so this piece here will work. I'm going to dredge it in the flour. Okay. Again, flip it over. Come over to your egg. Dip it in the egg. Side one, side two. Shake off any excess egg that you might have. Okay. Then we're going to go right back into the flour again. Side one, side two. That's what you call a double dip, my friends, double dip. Now, I don't know if you noticed this, the chicken's starting to bubble around the edges, which is good. That's what you want. That's called cooking. There you go. And I'm going to cook this so it gets it crusted on one side. And what I usually do with that is once I can slide it around the dish, I know I'm pretty close. I mean the pan. See, like right now, you try to shake it, it ain't going that way, see? So once you'll be able to tell the difference, and the sound is a little different too. You'll pick up on the sound of a dried, when it gets crusty, you'll hear it along the bottom of the pan. So then you know it's pretty dang close. I just sneezed, but that was a silent sneeze. Penny don't like that. She said, I'm going to blow my brains out one day. Whatever. Okay, so that's cooking. We'll be back in a few minutes. Okay. The smell in here is, or the aroma that's coming off of this is pretty dang good. Now listen. Now, you hear that? It sounds a little rough. I haven't flipped these yet. So we're going to take a little peek under one of them. Oh yeah, that's rough. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, a little more spray on this side here. That's just the butter spray. I'm just doing that to help, give it a nice little color. But look at the difference, huh? It's nice. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing on this side here. Check that one. Nice, nice. Okay. Give a little spray. Take this one, right? All right, we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, let's listen. Sounds like a cute little crust on that side to me. So now what we're going to do is we're going to give it a little poke, but you don't want to stick it where it's going to hit the pan. So just on a little angle, and that's right up to temp. So got the 166, a little over. So we'll take these off here, and over here, let me show you what I did. I got a little rack with the paper towel. So what I'm going to do is place the chicken on here, let it set. Okay, we're going to give this pan another slip and slide. Ready? Olive oil down, butter spray down. And then we're going to let this here one, because it's been sitting in the breadcrumbs a bit. And then we're going to get our last one ready, and we'll be back. So there you have it, my friends. All my chicken is done. As you can see, it came out really, really good. And that's made again with the my home ground red lentils with Penny's spice mixture you saw in the beginning. So, without further ado, let's get over to the taste test table. Okay, here we are at the taste test table. Miss Camera Girl helped me out a little. So now we're going to take a taste of this. This is her concoction with the spice mix. Wow. It's not bad. Actually pretty good. The flour that we made out of red lentils doesn't alter the taste. Actually pretty dang good. And best of all, 0 points for the Weight Watchers thing. Chicken 0. The flour I made out of the red lentils is 0. The cooking spray was 0, so I would say this is a 0 dish. But at any rate, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't yet. When you do, notification bell pop down. When that hits, you hit that. It'll notify you each time we get a new video. There's an arrow down below the video box. You hit that, that will drop down another box, and that will give you the link to our Cook with Mr. Dan Facebook page, a link to my daughter's artwork page, and a complete recipe, instructions, and ingredients how we made this fantastic little dish. So, stay hungry, friends, and when you are, come back. We'll give you another delicious dish just like this. And this is Mr. Dan saying stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video.